Dashboard explanation. Welcome back to our tutorial. As you can see, this is our beautiful dashboard. In this section, you will find many charts that display the outcome of your campaigns. At the top is the primary number you are currently using to send your SMS. You can always get more numbers by clicking on Get New Number. You can also see the number of SMS and voice credits you currently have, along with the time zone and the connection over the past 15 days for your Wi-Fi, keyword, and kiosk. The dashboard gives you an overall breakdown of the opt-in by source. This is the total unique number of subscribers. You also have the ability to see what percentage of your messages has been delivered in the past year, month, and day. Here, we have a connection breakdown by source and by day in a graph, so you can see what's working best for your business. The total number of connections shows the total number of people who have signed up to your kiosk, Wi-Fi, or keywords. The number of repeat customers is also displayed, along with the number of unique subscribers currently on the system. This does not include the amount of unsubscribers. You can also see the percentage of keyword opt-ins along with a graph, subscriber source, and percentage, including our poll rating chart, your overall rating, locations, and other amazing analytics that will help your business rise to the next level. At the bottom, you will see all the secondary numbers currently being used, along with their permission, your past receipts, current credit package, and current packages. A map of your current locations is also displayed at the top, along with the number of faxes, SMS, and voice messages currently received.